I'm going to explain to you how I handle going to the bathroom when there is no bathroom around and there's too many people around to either go outside, or if you're in an urban area and you just like can't go outside. So we have this green Nalgene bottle with a green cap. Eric likes to say it's yellow, but it's really green. He's a little colorblind. And when it has a green cap / yellow cap, chartreuse, let's call it chartreuse. When you have a chartreuse bottle with a chartreuse cap, you cannot drink out of it. It is for pee only. So we know that, and it lives inside of our medicine cabinet, so that we know can't drink it. When you're me, can't just pee in an Nalgene bottle. You have to have a little girl adapter, right? So Eric and I like to call this my pink penis. And I'll explain to you how this works. This particular one is called a Go Girl. I know that you can get something called a Lady J, which is an adapter for the John. What is it called, Eric? Porta-John. It's made out of silicone. It is basically a funnel. Probably most girls that are either in vehicles without a bathroom, or back when we had an airplane, we had a few friends that also, like, they would always have these too, because when you're flying midair, you know, men can use this, but girls need something else. So this is what it looks like. It's a funnel, and you put it as you would imagine, shaped kind of similarly. So you just kind of pee inside of this, but you have to position this. So you open it up. You can honestly sit it on here. I usually do that when I'm like cleaning up or getting ready to clean it up. And but I usually just hold it up, pee in there. And what's nice is that it's hardly dirty because it's made out of silicone, but I'll just, you know, rinse it out really good. Pee's sterile. We always make a big deal of pee, but it's sterile, so it's not a big deal. With this, you can, like, honestly, just if you're just like nervous, you're like, I don't want to pull down my pants in the middle of the forest, you basically could just like stick this in your pants and maybe even just pee regularly. I don't know, I haven't done that. But like, it really works well, and as long as you're using it properly, you don't get it everywhere. So that's that. See you, bye.